This is article number SF-02, which is a lovely pink colored maxi. This is a pink colored net maxi, and we are providing you with 7 kaliyan with it. As you can see, each kali of the dress consists of tilla embroidery and beautiful stonework. This is the all over border for the maxi. This is the body of the maxi. The sleeves with a center motif and sequin spray to it. This is the body for the back side of the maxi. This is the back side of the maxi and it has a spread of booty. This is the dupatta along with it with one-sided embellished border. This is the JAMAWAR inner of the maxi along with these embellishments.